Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use About This Account feature on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Scroll through your homepage. Select a verified account you want to know about, and go to that profile. Tap the three dots from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on About This Account. You will be able to access information, such as date when this account joined Instagram, the country where the account is based in, username changes in the last 1 year, and accounts with shared followers. This feature will let users get a better idea about any verified account. In some account you will also see an information, the advertisements this account is currently running. So in this way, you can use About This Account feature on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.